absolute classic sneaky question here. T is 6 months, so we sub in T is 6, right? Wrong. Look at the original part of the question. Look at the way T is defined, and then think, right, so after 6 months, what is T? That's absolute classic whenever there's units, is to switch it up in terms of the units. So just be aware of that, be alert to it, and whenever it says units, just check whether or not it is 6 that you're going to be subbing in, or maybe it's something different. Now for the next bit, that differentiation should be pretty easy, but what you need to do is to show me that that derivative can be written as an amount of n. So all you need to do, some students find this really difficult, but it's because you're overcomplicating it. All it's saying is, once you've got dm by dt, can you write it as something times, right, 25e to the minus 0.5t. Something times 25e to the minus 0.05t. Of course you can write it like that. Easy peasy. Done. Simple.
To get more maths videos from me, subscribe to the Tailored Tutors channel. If you like this video, don't forget to try out my complete A-level course for free in the free trial on the Tailored Tutors website. You can transform your grade in under an hour with my grade transformation playlist, or you can watch this video that has been magically selected just for you from the people at YouTube.